Hello, I'm Cameron Martin.
I'm Josh Lynch.
I'm Matthew Samafranco.
Harris Warwald.
We're the Beavers. The Beaver cart conveyor replaces and revolutionizes the current checkout process to save time on each transaction. Grocery stores in their current state can be one of the most stressful places to visit regularly. Many people dread grocery shopping, and so something needed to be changed to improve the consumer experience. We identified two main problems that consumers expressed through interviews. The first problem is that the current checkout procedure leads to backups and congestion, which wastes time for everyone involved. The next issue is that we focused our attention toward was the outdated technology and pointless artificial intelligence options found inside a supermarket.
As someone who has been a grocery store cashier before, I have firsthand experience with the biggest problems of the checkout process. For example, large orders currently clog up the conveyor belt, which leads to pile-ups at the bagging area. Items can be crushed and ruined, leading to unhappy customers. The Beaver cart conveyor is a system that would allow the grocery cart as a whole to be loaded into a system to be fed to the cashier. The cashier would then remove the items from the cart through a hole, scan them, and send them to be bagged. The cart from the previous transaction exits the system on the other side, empty and ready to be filled with bagged groceries. Since the customer does not need to transport their items onto a conveyor belt, they can head straight to bagging. This solution saves minutes on each large purchase and gets customers through the checkout process much faster.
We also knew that changing the whole layout of the store would be too expensive and time consuming, so we then considered what items customers interact with the most, and it would be the shopping cart. Improving the design and functionality of this cart would help the shopping experience, so we added new features that can save a customer's time. A large touchscreen interface in the front of the handles of the cart can help a customer with all their shopping needs, and a handheld scanner can scan items so customers know more information of the product they are purchasing. Motion sensors are located on each corner of the cart so that these carts can communicate with each other in the store. There still includes a child seat if a parent still wants to bring their child along, and the cart even includes a scale so you can weigh your fruits and vegetables before checkout. The new smart cart can do it all, and Harris is going to speak about more about its functions.
Thanks, Matthew. This wireframe prototype shows the normal progression of slides as a new shopper would interact with the software on the smart cards. The shopper is greeted with a slide to unlock screen, followed by numerous options regarding how they would like the cart to assist them in their shopping trip. It is recommended that the customer scans their list with the photo scan list feature for maximum convenience. Next, the cart will map out the most efficient route that allows the shopper to stop at all the necessary items. The cart will move autonomously and display the route and stops on the right half of the screen. On the left half of the screen, there's a list and order of the items that will appear so the customer knows exactly what they're looking for and when. Finally, the software will display information regarding the wait time for different registers throughout the store. At this point, the customer will be able to choose the register with the least amount of wait time for a quick and easy checkout process. Thank you for taking the time to listen to our design for the Beaver cart conveyor and smart cart. We look forward to revolutionizing grocery store checkout.
Should we go one more time, you think?